Jesus. The torque on these things. This is the quickest thing I've ever been in. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate. I cannot stop smiling already. Welcome to Dave's Mk3 TTRS.
And what a machine this thing is.
I know.
Those who've been following us from the beginning will remember my TTRS, who I actually bought it from, Dave.
Yes, yeah.
And as you can see, he's just stepped up the game once more.
Yes, oh, let's get stuck in.
Let's do it. So as you can see, this is next level, yeah? Dave hasn't held out anything on this car. So we're gonna start with a couple of exterior mods. What have we done, visually wise?
Body kit wise,
yeah.
Automotive Passion carbon fibre, full Audi Sport replica kit. So we've got spoiler, diffuser, side skirts, front splitter, wings.
Oh, the wings.
And bonnet vent.
And yeah,
and the livery.
Yes, and you've actually fitted all this yourself, haven't you?
I have indeed.
Including the bonnet vent. Now that takes some balls, right? Fair play to you. So modifications to the engine.
Okay, it's a MRC Stage 2, Wagener Ev0 3 intercooler, APR intake, APR coil packs.
Yeah, what's she running?
She's running roughly 510 to 530 horsepower and 700 Newton meters.
Oh. Let's do it, let's go for a drive.
Sweet.
So guys, you've joined us out on the road in Dave's TTRS. There is so much to talk about this car. I will try and keep it brief because I know I do tend to ramble. But my first impressions, I mean, to me personally, the TT has always been, I mean, you look at the Mark 1 TT, it's always been a sports car, you know, in their own right. But as soon as we pulled up, I mean, the presence of these things, I mean, they are supercar killers now. They're no longer just your average sports car. And this one, what you've done with it is just, it really has got that supercar presence. Pictures don't do it justice. As soon as we pulled up, I mean, it gave me that wow factor for sure. So first things first, I want to say a massive thank you to Dave. I really appreciate you bringing the car down to us. I know you're a very busy man, very rarely in the country, so I really appreciate you sparing us the time. And my God, what a car you've built here. Because I want to emphasize that you've done basically everything you can on this car. You've sort of done yourself.
More to come.
Yeah. I mean, even like Kenny said, I mean, even cutting the vent in the bonnet, you said you did yourself. Yes. First of all, hell of a job, and to have the guts to not only get a car like this and cut it up.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Hats off to you.
Very scary.
Yeah, so say a funny story, as Kenny touched on briefly. Jesus. God, the torque on these things and the noises is just, oh. Like I said, we haven't even got to some open road yet, but just tickling the throttle, oh. But yeah, so Dave actually sold, well, Kenny bought his TTRS from Dave, and I always wondered why you upgraded, because the only reason you sold it, I mean, that was a hell of a car, the only reason you sold it was to upgrade to the new one, is that correct?
Pretty much.
I gotta say, first of all, we're in a low sports car. I mean, you've got the big, are they 20s that it's sat on? Yeah. And these roads are not the best, and it's absorbing the bumps so well.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And the one thing I said I love about these cars, you've got the supercar aggressive look on the outside, but you jump inside, it's so refined. So you've got supercar performance, but like I imagine you could drive this every day. I mean, you've got the luxuries, you've got the comfort, the quality that Audi give is just, oh, honestly, I'm blown away by this car already. Oh my god! I don't know if it was the gearbox that it accelerated. I was like, oh, that's quick. As it changed, it just seemed to go even more. That I haven't had like goosebump, that feeling in my stomach for a while. Oh,
it's definitely good fun.
I am in love with this car already.
Hopefully around 800 horsepower.
Oh, 8? That's what you're aiming for, is it? Wow. Well, it's a good straight by you, Les. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! I've actually got goosebumps. So, I'm trying to compose myself, but do you know, compared to the 8J TTRS, obviously the Kenny bought off you, power-wise, I would say they're similar. I know this has got more horsepower, slightly less torque, so they're sort of balanced.
Yes, it's the gearbox which makes it.
Yeah, honestly, that really surprised me because I spent so much time in Kenny's one. That really blew me away. Then that's
the changes are lightning fast.
It's incredible. I've always said I'm a manual guy at heart, but even just the little blips that we were doing then, I get why people love the DSG. I mean, from a performance aspect, they're obviously better. Which one do you prefer? Having owned both, which one do you have a favourite?
For me, DSG. Yeah? It's the future, I think.
Yeah, like I said, from a performance aspect, I completely agree. Kenny floored it in the 8J TTRS, it felt very composed. This is an animal. It just wants to go. We're gonna head back up to these mountain roads. Oh god, I'm looking forward to this. It's that noise, I really miss that noise. Jesus Christ. I mean, on these roads, this is a lot of power, but it's putting it down so well.
And it's damp.
It is, yeah, and as I said, that's a testament to the car as well, because it's not... Oh my god, yes. Torque pulling you, we're going uphill as well. That torque pulling you, oh my god, yes. It's planted. Wow. This man knows how to drive. But it's not even breaking a sweat. I mean, neither are you.
Yeah, it's so easy to drive.
God, even I'm like I lost breath. Oh wow! Like I said, not even pushing the car, but oh my! I mean, look at the boy is handling the bumps. That turbo flutter. So this is probably the most powerful car I've ever had launch control in. So take it away, Dave. Holy shit! Wow! Wow! You expect, like, I was sat waiting to be thrown in the seat, and it throws you in the seat, but it's the way it throws you and keeps going. Like Kenny said, you literally just, you can't move. Oh, wow. I gotta stop saying wow, but this car is just amazing. You've even knocked the other camera sideways. Whew. Well, my first impression, as you can probably tell from my girlish giggles, that was, do you know what, I've got that adrenaline, I haven't had that for a while. I mean, we take a lot of cars up here. I'm literally lost for words. This. What a machine. I mean, it's a testament to the car, it's a testament to what you've done to the car. But what tyres were you running? Did you say you were running very
Yokohama
quickly?
Avon Sport.
Oh, because they're
very good.
I mean, you were, I know, I mean, you weren't even pushing the car, but my God, that thing felt good.
No squeal, no slide,
no
understeer, which is what people say with these cars.
Yeah, massive respect for you for actually pushing the car, but I think we got to get Kenny in, yeah.
So this is my first time in here in about a year. It must be now, yeah.
It is, yeah.
So when you pretty much first bought it, and as everyone knows, I'm a nervous passenger, so oh my God! It just pins you in the seat. That's just, I thought mine was quick, obviously your old one, but this is next level, honestly.
Like I said, I think the only difference between them is the gearbox.
That's the thing, because it's just seamless, isn't it? The change is totally seamless. As I say, it's a shame these roads ain't the best, but oh my God. So you've done a 0 to 60 in this as well, is that
yes,
right?
Yes.
And what did she do?
I did a 3-second flat on the street.
On the, yeah. And quarter mile.
Quarter mile. I did a quarter mile on the street and it came in at 11 seconds dead. Obviously at Santa Pod it'll be quicker.
Yeah, but that is just... Oh my God, it just pins you back. You're like you got a steering wheel on, dude. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Just can't explain. Honestly, this is the quickest thing I've ever been in. You feel your face being pulled back. Jesus. I've been on less aggressive roller coasters. And it's just effortless. Look at the way he's just steering, you know. Oh, so underrated, these cars. I've been in a few supercars and this just feels quicker.
Understeer? I don't
No
think so.
understeer. Then what understeer? Even on these roads, like I said, they are very, very bumpy and there was just no drama, you know? I'm a nervous passenger and not at once did I feel any sort of fear, you know? Oh my God! That is insane. So I said, it makes me feel like I didn't appreciate mine enough. Like, you know, obviously I had it about 6 months. I gotta get another one. Do you know, I'm really, really lost for words. I'm just amazed. Honestly, like I said, I've been in some motors. This, I wouldn't even try anything in the Evo against this. You know, it's just a different league. The Evo's quick. This is, oh my God,
It's
supercars.
Definitely high praise, that.
Oh, honestly, this is a supercar eater. That's it. That's all I can say, man.
Well, you survived.
Thank you. I did. Yeah. You've done well. No, like even like I said, the handling, everything's just effortless. You know, you just fair play, and you can drive. So awesome. Thank you so much for the experience.
No problem.
Honestly, awesome.
Ah, the TTRS, well the Mark 3 TTRS.
Mark 3, yes.
And I gotta say, a special Mark 3 TTRS.
Oh my God, what a day. What a day.
We went into that. I mean, I know they're good cars, but I really, like I said, because it's similar to the one that the one that you had, I wasn't expecting to be that blown away by it. I'm blown away by this thing.
It's a supercar killer.
It really is.
It is. Everything Dave's done with it as well, visually, it's
Yeah,
just,
I mean,
it looks like a race car, especially when it's behind you.
Yeah.
You just want to get out of the way and just let it through.
You can see from the roller, yeah, if this comes up behind you, you're moving out the way.
Yeah, definitely.
So obviously, a massive thank you to Dave, and I really respect it. He drives it the way it should be driven. And what a day, honestly, what a day. We're so grateful for what we do.
Yeah, it's
Grateful
days
for
like
people
this,
like
you know, it
Dave,
makes you realise. Yeah. What a
So
thing.
before we ramble too much, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next
one.
one. Oh, I want a TT now.
Every video. I want this.
Go on, give us a few.